Hey guys, this is Mason here with Carns Equipment. Right here we have a brand new 2026 Ranger XP 1000 NorthStar edition. Now this is the premium. So this is going to have the front bumper, it's going to have the winch up front, fully enclosed cab, glass windshield all the way around, roof. It's got the wiper kit. Now on the inside you're going to have the insulation, which is really nice, especially this time of weather, because it is going to have heat. So it's going to, hold the heat in there a lot better than your standard side-by-sides. It is going to have the bed, which is great for doing work around the farm or doing work around the house. It is assisted lifted, so there is a hydraulic arm that makes it very nice and very smooth for you. Come check it out. It's a brand new unit and it deserves to be in somebody else's garage other than on our lot. So give us a call at 814-765-5684.